If you're experiencing slow installation times on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to speed up the process. Follow these steps to improve your installation experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. A wired connection is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. If possible, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software, Update in Settings, and select Update System Software. This can help improve performance and installation speeds. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues that may be slowing down installations. To do this, turn off your PS5 completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot the console into safe mode, where you can select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Manage storage space. Ensure that you have enough free storage space on your PS5. Go to Settings Storage to check available space. If necessary, delete unused games or applications to free up space for new installations. Step 5. Install games from disk. If you have a physical copy of a game, consider installing it from the disk instead of downloading it. This can significantly reduce installation time, as the data is read directly from the disk. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the installation process on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.